Okay, this is the tool of the day. It's the Milwaukee Bulldozer and then the drill press. And why I need this, I'm still working on the C10 here. This is the brospeed rear disc brake kit. It's advertised for 60s GM trucks up to 69 with a 6 lug. And now in the ad I see they're advertising it with the rotor having a 3-inch hole. So what I need it larger than 3. It's roughly 3.5 inches, but then in reality, when I measure it with the micrometer, it's a little bit of a stepped edge, and it's narrower on the outside and it goes fat on the inside, but it's roughly 3.59 inches. So that bulldozer there, it drilled these holes 3.52. So I got 0.7 to play with. Yeah, so this is 3.52. I need 3.59. I'm left with 0.7 that I gotta open it up a little bit more. It's actually that axle's kind of stepped like this. The inside is slightly larger than the outermost part. That's why I can manage to get that rotor sitting on there. It just won't go in all the way. I did drill these out larger as well because I went with big shouldered lug nuts because my C10 is getting lots of power, right? So I went with the big shouldered lug nut. So yeah, I can't push this all the way in because I gotta open it up 0.07 of an inch. And coincidentally, so just, you know, I eyeballed that on the old drill press there, but I got about 0.01 of an inch run out on this rotor. That's the good one. That one's got a little bit more. Actually got 0.07 run out, but I need to open this up by exactly 0.07 anyways. So I'm just figuring out here with the dial indicator where I'm going to clean it up. And in this case, I'm going to file more on this side. I got to go to the store, get some more files for the old drill. So this is going to be good, perfect amount of run out. That's totally acceptable to me. And well, you know, the gong show about this is for the future. What are you gonna do, right? How am I gonna buy rotors? Am I gonna have to do this to every rotor? So hopefully I can. Now I know some guys in some parts stores that they'll see rotors and they know exactly what they're coming from. But I was thinking about maybe emailing Centric with these specs, front and rear rotors, and see if they can figure out, you know, what rotor these come from, and if they have a part number where they can sell me some, you know, off the shelf. That would be ideal, and that would probably help a lot of people out because these are pretty standard rear brackets. You know, every kit I've seen has brackets that look almost exactly like that, right? And these are Eldorado e-brake calipers, pretty standard as well. So yeah, one more look at it again. Just FYI, mine too. And that's about it. So a little more grinding, then I'll be able to button that up. And then once I do that, it's the rest of the driveline and get this thing rolling. All right, so hopefully that helps somebody. I know it helped me, just kind of thinking it through, and so I can document it so I know how much to take off to make the run out almost near perfect. And yeah, like, subscribe as always. Peace out.